What's up, guys? It's George, and today's the last day of the month. It's been a great month, and just calculated I've made over $7,000 profit for the month with my notary business, and that's definitely not a record-breaking month, not even close in my notary business. I've had significantly better months than this. However, this was a good month considering that I was really out of town for a third of the month. So for 1/3 of the month, I wasn't even available. And then again, you also have to factor in the fact that I'm a single parent, and so when I'm with my daughter, I don't really work or anything, and then I do have other businesses as well as an active fitness life, and I take my personal time very seriously, gardening and all my other personal hobbies and things, and so being able to part-time really to make an extra $7,000 for the month is not bad in my humble opinion. And so the notary business is such a great business. I love this business. It's so cool. I'm always meeting. I have a lot of fun in this business. I meet so many people all the time. Just yesterday I had a business appointment at owners of this Thai restaurant, and they ended up giving me a bunch of free dinner. And I meet celebrities, professional athletes, all kinds of neat people, all kinds of crazy stories. But I want to share in this video a golden nugget, a secret in how to grow your notary business and or any other business, because you can really apply this same technique to any other business, all other businesses. And I'm always surprised at how many business professionals and just people in general just don't understand just how powerful this is, and just by going the extra mile and taking this seriously and implementing what I'm about to teach you can truly make your life so much easier and make your business endeavors a lot easier. Again, like you've heard me maybe say a million times, I'm an easyologist. I'm all about making my life easier, simpler, not more difficult. And so what it is the golden nugget strategy of this video is be nice and kind and make people like you. And I know that may sound like, oh God, that's the golden nugget, but most people, I can't believe how many people drop the ball on this. And this applies to all businesses. I'm a very friendly person, and especially when it comes to someone that's making me money, then I'm even nicer to them, and I get people to like me. And what happens, and why, especially in the notary business, is so critical, is because I'm getting business from lawyers and title companies, and signing companies and escrow officers, and they can give business to any notary they want. Notaries are a dime a dozen; they're all over the place. But guess what? If people like to do business with who they know, like, and trust. And because I'm very good at getting people to like me, because when they like me, then they're just gonna keep giving me business over and over and over, and it makes my life so much easier. I get a lot of my business is just repeat business. And so when I send out, so for example, in doing notary appointments, I have emails and stuff that come back and forth for different opportunities. I'll send an email back, and I'll be genuine, kind, and then I also put a little emoji, smiley face on there. And I know that, but it's like that little extra touch, for some reason, builds an emotional connection to you, and they feel like they can like you. Or when people call me on the phone, whether it's for the diabetic test strips business or whatever business, I'm friendly to them, and I'm nice, and I'm happy and genuinely happy that they're calling me, and I'll joke and maybe sometime try to find a way to throw in a little humor or something, yeah, my name's George, like George of the Jungle, and then they laugh, but it's like, you get people to like you, and it always surprises me how and I hear this because I hear about my competition, and I get a lot of repeat customers in all my business, my test strips business, and people will come back to me, and they tell me it's because they like me, and they really genuinely like me, and they'll tell me about how, and I hear this, and I've heard this for years, other people they talk to, and it's like they're calling them up, and it's like the person is annoyed, they're calling them, like, yeah, what's up, what you got? As if they're like a thug or something. And then the customer feels uncomfortable in dealing with that person. Or who do you think that they're going to want to come back to? Someone who makes them feel good on the phone, they feel like an emotional connection with, they really like, hey, I like that guy, that guy's cool, I feel like a friend. Then that's who they're going to come back to, not the person that they felt intimidated like they're doing, like they're bothering the person. Okay, sorry, I didn't mean to bother you. I just was seeing if you wanted some money. I just left the title company. I was doing work there, and all the ladies in there, I'm making them laugh, I'm joking with them and things, and so they love me. They bring me business all the time, and a lot of my people, today alone, I made over $600 in my notary business, and everybody I got business from, I text them after the assignment, I'm the best. This is why you call me. Winky face. I'm the best, or just whatever. Just but I find a way to add a little personal touch in there, get them to like me, and this goes such a long way, and so many people don't understand this about the power of getting people of
someone that what they believe to be real is
of getting people to like you and going the extra mile with that. So it's a simple strategy, but if you do this and you take it serious, and if you want to learn more about this, the truth, I see myself almost as like a master manipulator. Everybody's a manipulator. Even kindergarten teachers are a manipulator. They're just manipulating their kids to learn what they want them to learn. So there's nothing wrong with being a master manipulator. It's the intent behind. My intention is always to do good. But I pride myself as a master manipulator. I've learned a lot about psychology and manipulation and sales, but if you want to learn a great book, which really taught me the art of the fundamentals of manipulation and getting people to like you, it's How to Win Friends and Influence People. I've read that book about 5 times. Phenomenal book. It's one of the top books I ever recommend, because if you can learn how to master manipulation and become a good enough actor, the world is yours, and you can get anything you want in this life if you can just learn to become a good enough actor and play the part. So for those who want to learn how to make money as a notary, then I highly recommend to either do one-on-one coaching with me. Check out the links in the description of this video. I've coached hundreds of people one-on-one. Everybody that coaches with me, I crush them with value. I pour my heart and my soul into my coaching calls, and everybody who coaches with me will absolutely testify that I bring the value, and that and then also check out the links in the description, as I have courses that I recommend and how to build a successful notary loan signing business. And I've been thinking about it more and more. Eventually, I'm going to start creating my own digital products and courses, because I know just that the value that I could bring to the table, it just blow the socks off of anything. And so stay tuned. I'm going to be coming out with my own digital products, ebooks, and courses, and things like that. Lots of good things to come. So I hope you all having a great month, making that money. Get ready to crush August, baby. And until next time, let's have a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.